In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign out of the YouTube app on Android. So I have the YouTube app open, and if I go ahead and tap on my profile icon at the top right, and then I tap on my profile name, it's going to load up the screen. And as you can see, there's no option to sign out. So to make a sign out button appear, you need to do the following. You want to go out of YouTube, and then you want to go to the settings on your phone, and then you want to go down to where it says apps. So there's apps, and you want to tap on apps, and then right at the top on my phone it says apps, but it might be in a different location on your phone, so just tap on wherever it says apps. And then I'm going to go ahead and search for YouTube. There's YouTube. I tap on it, and now I want to find where it says storage, and then I tap on storage in the middle of the screen. And now what I need to do is I need to clear my data, press OK, and I need to clear my cache, and that has been done. So now I can go back into YouTube. And now I'm back into YouTube, but it signed me into a different account, but this will still work as an example. So if I go ahead and tap on my profile icon at the top right, then I tap on my profile name at the top, you can see now that there is a sign out button. I can tap on that, and that's going to sign me out of YouTube. So that is how you sign out of the YouTube app on Android. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.